Tashidale greetings to everyone. The year 2020 has been really a challenging and tough time for all of us, to the entire humanity, because of the outbreak of coronavirus. But we all have been luckily and hopefully are getting overcome from this problem. And thanks goes to all of the scientists, doctors, nurses, caregivers, and frontline workers, especially all of you who have made a huge difference in taking part in their role and doing some necessary things to save us from this problem, gigantic problem, right? So we are going to overcome this problem. Sooner or later we will be free from this problem as well. So as the year 2021 turns up, I hope you all have a good, happy and productive year ahead. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Saldan Tenzing. I'm an entrepreneur in the field of travel, also a certified life coach, a speaker and an author in making. And today I have this short, quick 1-minute message to you as we exit 2020. First and foremost, I just want to acknowledge everyone because we've all been through a lot, and thank you so much for not giving up and for navigating through all the challenges that we have faced. So big thumbs up for that. And the second thing that I want to remind you, and the more important thing is, as we enter the new year of 2021, you have two choices to make. The first choice is to accept the life as it comes and you go with the flow. The second choice is actually to take a conscious decision to get better, bigger in your vision, in your intention, in your actions, and become the better version of yourself. Yes, that's right. It is a choice and a decision to make, and the power lies within you. There is nothing, I can promise you, there is nothing in this world that you cannot do if you have the will and the perseverance to do that. So I hope that as we enter into 2021, you would decide and choose the path of growth, awareness, and add a sense of contribution to it. And live with absolutely no regrets. Have a wonderful 2021. Thank you.
Dear friends, today is the last day of year 2020, and I know that each one of us has experienced difficulties in this whole year, but that does not mean that we will be like this forever. So let's welcome 2021 with a new strength, new hope, with your families and friends, because strength comes from good things, your family, your friends, the satisfaction of good work. Those are the things that will keep you whole, and those are the things to hold on to when you are broken.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashi and I'm not here to give any unsolicited advice. I just wanted to say what a year 2020 has been, and we all actually survived it and made it to this new year. And despite 2020 being a very challenging year for everyone, I hope you all make good decisions and realizations. If not, I hope you all have been happy and improving yourself. And so this year finally ended, and I wish you all a better, healthier and happier new year, and have a better time in 2021. And please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe his channel.
Hi. I'd like to start with Vittor's poem called Don't Quit. I'll mention some lines from it, like when things go wrong as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. So stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worse that you must not quit. 2020 has been one such year that has been hard on most of us. Some of us have lost our near and dear ones. Some have lost our financial stability. So we can say, it won't be wrong to say that we're all in the same boat in these troubled waters, and we're all looking forward as to what the future has for us. But I am sure that we're all together with faith, moving forward, taking a great leap of faith as to whatever will happen, we'll give our best. And I just hope that the upcoming year 2021 is one such year that you'd love to hold on to, that will give you a lot of good memories. It'll give you back whatever you've lost, and moreover the courage to keep moving, to keep working, and to keep giving your best without getting discouraged. Thank you so much.
Hello Just Like, this is Paktun. Thank you Chiring Dawa for making this video. Since it's 31st December now, and we are bidding farewell to 2020, and we are also preparing to welcome 2021. I know we all are happy, and I also wish health and happiness for all of you. So since we are bidding farewell to 2020, I know that 2020 with the pandemic, we all have suffered and also had a hard time. Yet it also came as a blessing to so many of us too. So with each passing year, we are losing our youth. So I hope we can come better in 2021 with a better resolution for ourselves, to improve yourself and to also work hard for yourself, for our community. And Happy New Year to everyone.
Hey everyone, how you doing? So do you realize that we are actually approaching to a new year and we are leaving the year 2020 behind us? That means we are actually saying goodbye to the year 2020. And speaking of year 2020, as everyone experienced, it's been a terrible, horrible and miserable year. Right from the start, Australian wildfires where people are affected, luckily some evacuated, but a lot of kangaroos and koalas were burned and we lost them. What a tragic loss. I love those animals, man. And after that, a lot of terrible things turned up. Like a chain reaction, it continued, throughout the year. And worst thing that happened is the outbreak of coronavirus. It went out of our control, became a global pandemic, and each day and every day, thousands of people showed up in hospitals as a COVID-19 patients, and doctors and nurses, they were trying their best to save lives. At the risk of their own lives, they have to live under constant nightmares and constant fear and anxiety. And isn't this terrible? And it's been 11 months since, and we are still struggling through it. And then lockdown, shut down, people have nothing to do, lost their jobs. People on the street, they were suffering. And they have nothing to eat and nowhere to go. And despite all these things happen, I felt a sense of community or sense of humanity, where people who are capable of doing things, people who have resources to do things, they actually start taking care of other people, like who have difficulties in life. And they being generous and kind and compassionate. That was really a good feeling that I got from 2020. Now we are moving towards another new year. I think we should learn some lessons from this terrible year. One of the biggest lessons that we can learn from year 2020 is that something that never happened in the past, something that never existed in history, doesn't mean that it's not going to happen. So anything could happen. So we should be prepared. We should be ready to meet a challenge that we encounter in the future. And most importantly, we should protect our environment. We should preserve our environment, because we got only one planet. Maybe some of you think we will build up brand new technologies and then we leave this earth to some other planets. But will the aliens allow us to do that? Think about it. So, Earth is the only one. We cannot betray our Earth. It's the only one. It's the only natural habitat we have got. So protect it and love Mother Earth. I hope 2021 will be different from 2020. And I hope everyone will be happy, healthy, and successful. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, today I wish you all a very happy new year, a very healthy and very safe and a lot of positivity 2021. I know 2020 had been a really tough year for every one of us in this world. We had faced so much of trouble with the pandemics and the lockdowns and the colleges being closed down and not being able to go as you wish, and you have to wear masks and use sanitizer again and again whole day. I know it's been a really kind of like, what should I say, a very difficult routine for every one of us in this 2020, but we had learned so much from 2020, and let's take this all advice from 2020 and let's be ourselves more positive in 2021. Let's spread more happiness and more positivity and good thoughts around yourself, and let's celebrate this 2020 with a lot of happiness, and welcome 2021 with lots of positivity. Thank you so much again everyone. Wishing you all very happy, healthy and safe new year. Thank you.
Just like all the usual years, we thought that this year would be usual too, but we were all wrong because we got hit by a pandemic that shattered our whole lives. We got sick, we lost many lives, we lost jobs, we lost shelter, we lost food to eat, which was very difficult for many of us. But amidst of all these chaotic situations, we learned how to be resilient, we learned how to be open towards change, and the most important thing, we learned how to love our own selves, which is a very positive thing. I highly feel for the people who had to go through a lot in this year, but for people like us who still have our parents, our family members, who still have food to eat, who has a shelter, who has jobs, should be thankful for at least all these things that are still intact in their lives. So I want to end this 2020 with a good heart, and I hope that like every sunset there is a sunrise, like every bad thing there is a good thing, and like all the darkness there's a sunlight. I want this 2020 year to end, and I want 2021 to bring me all the happiness that I have always wanted. I bid this year with a good heart, and I wish all of you a happy new year. Stay safe and just be happy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Nirmal Rajvanshi from Nepal. 2020 is going to be end from 31st December and this 1st January. New Year 2021 will start. New Year gives lots of new hopes and opportunities. I'm really excited. Hope you all are also excited for welcoming 2021 with lots of joy. I wish with the end of this year, all bad things like Corona 2020 will also end in the world. And finally, wish you all very, very happy and prosperous New Year. Thank you.
Sang this le ani nyeming la no buhi ani tanga khari la ni thos la baina ngarang so da thada da ni dong ni shu chok to re ani ni dong ni shu sak chik go chuk to re ani da ni gi message to da ando lana ta ngan chu ni dong ni shu nang la ta mangbo chi chai re da thanda to yib nem di chine mi khashila ni su su che so to ani 인제 요래 아니 미카시 인제 다 할로 뒤주 tuk차차다 아니 카실라양 아주 약배 챈다는 아주 약보네 망보 열성기도 하나나 니도 니슈낭로라 아니 내염디 치니 미 망보직 수수 낭미냠들 타요레 낭미냠들 뒤주시베기 뒤주시베기 고가 망보시라 열성기도 안딜레 아주 기타 할로라 kiu chorgo de samgiduraya mikhashi nimcheta tupunyayore ta mikhashi thongyore mikhashi laga mangboshla yore ta adu disama adu sosogi leyi samguri samgiduraya andila ngajogi che yomare anta 친사교 디 친사교 제동 니슈 짝칠 레트레 니마카시 스마슬하요 마리 아니 니동 니슈 짝칠 낭라 창말라 아니 차발람도 용마당 아니 수수길레가 카리 치와이네 따딜라 수수기 문니 타제 캬니갸 데디케이션 부리 삼기투 안 상말로 쿠술라 잡고 나오나
테스트레 상말라 아니 예밍라 틴즈 파물레유 아니 용기되어 니동 니슈 짝질라 아니 구매 참지 테스트레 장메유 아니 창말로 로상라 아니 Name sitting away Melamdang. Ani Happy New Year 2021. And Tijana.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. Some of you have already graduated, some of you still have final years. But you should be very proud of that. Graduation is a big achievement under any circumstances. But yours comes as a world turns upside down because of this pandemic. I can imagine how hard you have been gone through with your family, friends, and to all the people around the world. But don't worry, the 2021 will be brighter than the 2020. So once again, a big congratulations to all the class of 2020 and thank you.